Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yarimughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide 180 plus flare template in PSD file. Here you see we divide it into three parts: flare 1, flare 2 and flare 3. In flare 1 we have 105 file, and in flare 2 we have 56 file. Same like it in flare 3 we have 23 file. For example, I open it. Now you see many layers. You can edit any layer. For example, I open adjustment, and in this layer you can change the color of background. And in this layer adjustment you can adjust the color curve, and in balance you can adjust its balance, and in text you can edit the top text, title text and bottom text. This is top text and title text and bottom text. In background you can change its background by deleting this layer and add new layer and add your background that you want to replace. Same like it, you can edit any of this template. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.